Hey, how's it going? Okay, so if you watched the last video on the San-Mai, I messed it up when I did the quench. It all separated, but we're going to do a different technique this time. So I got a thicker piece of 1095 and I got my 15N20, and we're going to taco it together just like this, and we're going to try to forge it together. And that's what we're going to get done, and we're going to get to it right now. It's too hot to go ahead and lop off one of the ends and get a core sample to see if it's all fused together. Last time when we did it, it came out great. It had beautiful lines on it in it. But this time we did the taco, like I said, and we just shoved the metal in between. And we're gonna see if it actually worked. Again, it's too hot to touch, so I'm not gonna get into it and everything. But here's the other one that did make a mistake and delaminated towards the end of when I quenched it. So we'll see what happens and we'll go from there. On the next video, we'll go ahead and put it back in the forge. We'll put it into shape of where it's at. But the first thing we're gonna do is lop off both ends to see if we got a nice shape on it. We might even take off this predominant end here that sticks out with the 1095. All right, see you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think.